us, we have another virtual open house for you. And this is one everybody's pretty excited about. We've gotten lots of calls and lots of interest, and they're just waiting for the announcement. So we finally officially have a day for our dental assisting program to start. This is Celeste Guiler. She's our instructor. So,
hello.
Yeah, you want to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit
Sure.
about you?
My name is Celeste Guiler. I have been in the dental world for about 20 years. I have been here at Madison for 10 years teaching the dental assisting program. I am super excited for our 11th class to come through. We have had great testing rates. We've had great results in finding jobs. Our students have a lot of fun and build a lot of friendships and family relationships here.
Yeah, your class is always a lot of fun. We always tease, if they're not being loud, then they must not be working hard.
We have some good review games.
They have some good games. But other than that, besides having a little bit of fun, what else do you guys do? What are they going to learn?
They're going to learn a lot about dental anatomy, physiology. They're going to learn a lot about instrumentation, proper hygiene. We do have a couple props that we take with us to different education meetings and groups and different things that we're asked to take part in. We will be spending a lot of time on some COVID-19 practices that have changed a little bit of infection control for dental assisting.
Okay, so keeping things up to date is
Yes.
important.
Yes.
Now, you said there was some good success rate with your certification. What is that?
Our students will receive first aid and CPR certification. They will also receive their Ohio Certified Radiography license for dental x-rays. And then at the end of the year, they will sit for the Certified Ohio Dental Assisting certification.
Okay. And you have good passage rates with that.
Yes.
And then jobs. What's the job market like for dental assistants?
You know, it's crazy times right now, but the job market is booming. A lot of our older assistants did not return due to fear and worry of being an older age and being susceptible to things. So we have a lot of doctors looking for assistants. We've had many calls this summer of offices wanting to know if I had anybody that I could send to them. So I'm ready to get some people in there to send them on out.
So before we go, I'll let you make the announcement. When does class start?
We will start August 24th. We are ready to go Monday through Thursday, 4:30 to 8:30. Call the office, get set up. I'm so excited to see some smiling faces.
Yeah. So if you're interested in the dental assisting program, we do still have some room available for new students to enroll. Give us a call. You can get the forms off our website or we can mail them to you. So when you're ready, let us know.
See you soon.